Friends, in our second part of Rajasthan, its drainage system. Today, the main thing which we will do is the lakes of Rajasthan. If we see the lakes of Rajasthan, then we can divide these lakes of Rajasthan into two parts. Obviously, the first part is the Salt Lake of Rajasthan, and the second are the fresh lake, or we can say the sweet water lake of Rajasthan. Let us start from the salt water lake. The first one is the Sambhar lake. It is a salt water lake. Now the qualities of Sambhar lakes are: it is the largest lake of India, located in Fulera near Jaipur. The largest saltwater lake, basically used for making salt. The rivers which drain on Sambhar lakes are Mantha, Mead, Khari, Roopnagar, Kandela, etc. are rivers which drain in Sambhar lake. Now let us come to the next lake. Is the second largest saltwater lake of Rajasthan is Didwana lake. This Didwana lake is located at Nagaur in the south of the Nagaur city. This is the second largest saltwater lake of Rajasthan. The Lunkarnsar lake. This Lunkarnsar lake is located in the district of Bikaner in Rajasthan. Panchbhadra is also a saltwater lake which is located in the Bardmer district of Rajasthan. There are some other lakes which are found in Rajasthan. The saltwater lakes are like Falodi, Kavod, Kachor, Khosa, etc. are also the saltwater lake of Rajasthan. Now let us come to the freshwater lake of Rajasthan. If we come to the freshwater lake, then the all freshwater lakes of Rajasthan are the man-made lakes, means the artificial lakes, which are basically made by the Raja Maharajas of Rajasthan, so that they can face the problem of water scarcity of Rajasthan. Jaisamand Lake. It is world's second largest man-made lake, located near Udaipur. The main thing is that we also found islands in these lakes. The largest island of this lake is known as Baba Ka Bhangra. The next island is the very famous island Pyari Islands, and that is why this lake is one of the major attraction for tourism of Rajasthan. The Rajsamand Lake. This lake is in the Kankroli district of Rajasthan and made by Rana Raj Singh, and that is why this lake is known as Rajsamand Lake. It was made in the year 1662 AD. The northern part is very famous by the name of Navchauki, we can say, or the No Chowki. Here we can see the multiplications of 9 in the architecture of the lake, where the 9 steps are there, and when 9 steps close, then we see the next 9 steps. So a very good architecture's art there, which is a multiplication of, where we can see the multiplication of 9. A very famous lake of Udaipur, Pichola Lake. This lake is made by Rana Lakha of Udaipur. The Ana Sagar Lake. It is in Ajmer district of Rajasthan, made by Anaji, or the Arnoravji. He was the grandfather of Prithviraj Chauhan. Pushkar is a very famous freshwater lake of Rajasthan, located in the heart of Rajasthan at the Ajmer district. It was a very famous place. One more thing is that this river at Ajmer, Anasagar rivers, was made in 1137 AD. Now let's come to again Pushkar, a very famous religious place is Pushkar, and only temple of Brahmaji is there. The Pushkar lake is covered, or we can say around the Pushkar lakes, all the god and goddesses, the all 33 crore gods and goddesses are there in the temples of all the gods and goddesses of Hinduism are there in the Pushkar lake, and that is why this lake is too much sacred lake. The Kolayat lake, it is in Bikaner district. It was ashram of Kapil Muni. This lake is, here we see a trade of fish also. So this is how we see the freshwater lakes and the saltwater lakes of Rajasthan. Now let us do the economic importance of the drainage system of Rajasthan and its pollution. What are the economic roles of the rivers and lakes of Rajasthan? As we see in the first part of drainage system of Rajasthan, the Bay of Bengal drainage system. Here all the rivers Chambal, Banas, Kali, Sindh, etc. they formed a very fertile land area, plain areas in the eastern and southeastern part of Rajasthan, where the farmers are producing a lot of food grains. These rivers are or lakes are the basic natural resources and which are essential for the survivals of not only humans but also for the plants and animals and also for agriculture and industrial activities. Means they are important for not only human beings but also for plant, animal. The maximum part of the freshwater lakes and rivers are used for agricultural purpose and for industrial purposes. So these all activities are happen just because of the rivers. The banks of the rivers have been the cradles of civilizations. Many civilizations developed on the banks of rivers in the world. The Nile River civilization, Mohenjo-daro, which is the Tigris and Euphrates civilizations, Yellow River civilization of China. Similarly, the Indus River civilizations in Rajasthan also, all the Rajasthan and Pakistan like the Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, etc. These all cities and the Indus Valley civilizations developed in the bank of rivers. These are also a main mean of transportation, water transportations, and very soon the Indira Gandhi Canal, which is the largest man-made canal of the world, would be connected with Kandla port. So this is how we see a lot of water transportation in this river also. So this is how we see the economic importance of these rivers. River pollution is one of the major problems which we are facing. That is just because of the rapidly growing population of India. Because of this, the demands of domestic water increase. The heavy load of industrial sewage and the untreated sewage and the industrial effluents which are directly drained on these rivers and polluted these rivers. Although we had already the problem of water scarcity, and this is how by the this affect the present water, means the quality of the present water which is we had. So this is how we see river pollution creates many problems. The 22% diseases are waterborne diseases, and these all creates because of using these polluted water. So this is how we need to conserve the river waters. That's all in this chapter, and also this is how we complete the drainage system of Rajasthan in two parts. Any kind of problems and doubt, you can please send me your comments, or you can visit bipindogra.blogspot.in, where you can find out all my videos of NCRTs class 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th topics related to NTSC and also of Rajasthan. Thank you.